Good morning, guys. So today we are vlogging. It is Halloween day. This is Brooks's third Halloween. So the first year Brooks was a polar bear and I was a Coca-Cola girl. That was one of my favorite costumes ever. I thought it was so cute. And then the second year Brooks was a lion and that was super cute. And this year, what are you gonna be? Dun dun dun.
Cowboy.
A cowboy! Yay! It is now 10 o'clock and I let Brooks have a little piece of candy. First candy of the day is Skittles. He's never had Skittles before and I think he's a fan. So we're gonna vlog today. I'm drinking my coffee. I've got my Halloween Ray Dunn mug. Super good. I'm almost out of my creamer. I've been using the Starbucks white chocolate mocha creamer. It's really good. So anyways, I'm gonna be cleaning the house today. I'm going to get ready myself, get Brooks ready. I'm gonna give him a bath before tonight. It's been raining and you can see Colt's paw marks. I gotta get those cleaned up. It's driving me nuts. And yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of trick-or-treaters tonight and then we're gonna go to a fall carnival at our church later. So it should be a really fun day and I just wanted to document it. That way we can look back and have these memories. So are you excited to go trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get started with our day. Oh, Mimi just brought Brooks a basket full of goodies. Yay! What you got in there? Ooh, lots of candies and suckers. And a new book. Oh, that is awesome, Brooks. Will you tell Mimi?
Thank you, Mimi.
You're welcome.
Okay, I just got ready for the day. I put on some clothes and curled my hair, did my makeup for tonight. That way when Brooks wakes up from his nap that he just went down for, I'll be ready and I can get him ready. I know I want to give him a bath and get his costume on, take pictures of him before we go to the church carnival tonight. And it's about 1:30 now and I need to clean up the house. I'm going to go ahead and pick up our bedroom. I'm going to do some dishes in the kitchen. So I will give you guys a little bit of cleaning motivation in this vlog. It's like in the 30s today and it is so windy that I went to let Colt out to use the bathroom. And whenever I opened the door, it like shut right back because it's so crazy windy outside and it is freezing. I don't know what the weather is doing and why it had to do this on Halloween, but we probably won't be going door to door in our subdivision tonight. I just don't think it's worth it. So, and I think most people are just putting the bowls of candy out on their front steps. So I don't really feel like Brooks will care if we don't go since we will be going to the fall carnival and there'll be booths there that he can get candy. And like you guys saw earlier, Mom already brought him like a big basket full of goodies and a little book. That was so sweet of her. I've got him a little bit of candy and a little Frankenstein cookie. I'll show you guys later. So I think he'll be all right. There's no way he could eat all of that candy anyways by himself, nor does he need to. So, but anyways, let's go ahead and get the house cleaned up before Brooks wakes up.
Where you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel. I know you will always be the one who holds me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the.
All right, now that the house is picked up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and make some cupcakes for tonight. It is now 2:17 and I need to get those in the oven so they can cool and I can ice them before we leave tonight. So, okay, I picked up this little cake mix and frosting at Target and I found these super cute cupcake holders. They've got little pumpkins and ghosts and I thought that little saying was cute. They were, I think, $2. So I picked those up and I'm gonna make hopefully 2 pans worth of cupcakes. That way I can have 2 different sets for the cakewalk. I'm just gonna put the cupcakes in like a tin baking sheet, like a throwaway pan, and take them like that. But I've got everything set out here. I need to go ahead and preheat the oven. I always forget to do that. All right, 350. All right, and let's get to baking.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. 'Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you.
Look who just woke up. Just in time to make some cupcakes. You wanna help me? Yeah, do you have a good nap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where we go?
You woke up. All right, get your stool.
Okay.
You know, don't you? You're ready to make something good. Yeah.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself.
Okay, just pulled these cupcakes out of the oven. So while they're cooling, I went ahead and iced these ones and got them all ready to go. I'm just gonna put some press and seal over them. And then once these cool, I will get those done as well. Brooks talked me into giving him a sucker. And I've got our candy bowl over there. I'm getting ready to go straighten up our front porch and set the candy bowl out. Okay, here is the candy that we're gonna be passing out tonight. Like I said, we are going to a fall carnival, so I won't be here to pass it out, so I'm just gonna set it on the front porch. Is that a lot of candy or a little bit?
Ribbon.
A little bit? You don't think that's a lot? What's your favorite thing in this bowl?
I like snakes.
Gummy bear snakes, those are good. What else?
A bullet.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so unbelievably cold outside. I had like this little cardigan on and shoes and everything and I was frozen. My hands are still cold. So tonight is going to be a little rough trick-or-treating, but I just set our candy out on the front porch, so that's ready to go. It starts in about 30 minutes, and I know a lot of people in the subdivision have things going on, and everyone is pretty much gonna be sticking their candy outside. So that's what we did. Brooks is already begging for more candy. He's had a couple suckers, some Skittles. Candy's out. Now I'm gonna get him in the bathtub and get him ready for his costume. You have that. This, let me see if I can get to focus. Okay, these little deals right here are his favorite. I don't know what it is about it, but he goes nuts over them.
Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings.
All right, Brooks, you look so cute. You look like a real cowboy. What's your name? Don't put the sucker on your nose.
Look, Dad, I got my nose.
Hey, what's your name?
Only books.
Your name's Brooks, and what are you for Halloween this year?
I'll be trick or treat.
You're gonna say trick or treat? And what are you dressed up as?
Cowboy.
Cowboy, I love it. Can you turn around? Can we see the back? So cute. All right, let's go. Let's have some fun.
Yeah, I did.
What do they do at the rodeo?
It's a booze.
Yeah,
It's cowboy booze.
yeah.
Cowboy too. See calves. And cowboy with open calves.
Cowboys were roping the calves.
Yeah.
What do they do after they rope them?
It came up.
Tie them up,
It put him up.
and they throw their hands up.
That's right. Good job. All right, guys, we're back from the carnival. I wanted to show you. Look at this sweet little cowboy. He's nice and asleep. Sweet baby. He had so much fun. Wore himself out. Okay, I just got my pajamas on and I'm about to edit this vlog so I can get it up for tomorrow, which is Friday when you guys are watching this. But I wanted to show you guys our candy bowl that I left out on the front porch. I left it out there for kids to take as much as they want. I didn't have a sign up or anything, and you guys. I think the cold weather like scared everybody off because we pretty much have like what we started with. Maybe like 10 pieces were taken. I don't even know. And this bowl is like no joke big. So I'm gonna have to find something to do with all of this candy. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to put some Hallmark movies on now that October is done. Almost. We've got about 2 hours left, but once November hits, I'm like full blown into Christmas mode. I'm so excited for all of the Christmas videos that I have planned, decorating wise, shopping wise. I think it's such a fun season, and I feel like, I don't know, this is just like, I get so excited for Christmas. So I'm probably going to be decorating really soon. I already have one Christmas shop with me up on my channel. It went up yesterday and it was a Hobby Lobby shop with me. So if you guys want to see that and see like all of the farmhouse finds that I found at Hobby Lobby, I'll have that video linked down below. But you guys get ready for the Christmas content. I cannot wait. If you guys want to see me do Vlogmas, give this video a thumbs up. Tell me down in the comments. I'm going back and forth with it, but I will say this, if I decide to do it, I won't do any more than 5 days a week. So I'll just do Vlogmas Monday through Friday, which will be 2 extra videos for me than what I normally do. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But anyways, I'm going to end today's vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.